Park the truck with the steering centered. Refer to your vehicle's maintenance manual and adjust your suspension leveling valve to obtain proper ride height. Inspect the vehicle suspension and steering components for wear or damage. Correct any out-of-specification conditions and repair or replace bent wheels. Check the calibration of the digital inclinometer on a clean, flat, sturdy, horizontal surface that is approximately level. Measure the surface angle, then rotate the inclinometer 180 degrees and measure the surface angle again. If the difference between the two measurements is 0.2 degrees or less, the inclinometer is calibrated to within 0.1 degree. If the difference between the two measurements is larger than 0.2 degrees, follow the calibration procedure before measuring the camber. Thread the lug clamps onto the lugs until finger tight against the lug nuts. 2 clamps are required per steer wheel, one at the top and one at the bottom. Insert the wheel targets into the wheel bores with the measurement scale facing toward the drive axles and clamp the targets in place. Attach the magnetic surface of the inclinometer to one of the steel reference plates. Enter the inclinometer measurement into the corresponding field of the vehicle alignment application, taking care to include the proper sign. The angle measurement is positive if the upper arrow is pointing toward the wheel, and negative if the upper arrow is pointing away from the wheel. Repeat the measurement steps on the opposite side of the truck. Now turn the steering wheel toward the side with the inclinometer until the full lock position is reached. If necessary, adjust the inclinometer back to a vertical position before recording the measurement. Enter the inclinometer measurement into the corresponding field of the vehicle alignment application, taking care to include the proper sign. Repeat the measurement steps on the opposite side of the truck. Consult your vehicle's maintenance manual for caster and camber adjustment instructions. If you are working with a solid steer axle and the pre-alignment measurements fall outside of the specification limits, do not proceed to bend the steer axle. Bending the steer axle will void the manufacturer warranty. Instead, contact your vehicle's manufacturer for instructions on correcting the out-of-specification measurements. For more details on the vehicle alignment application and the inclinometer calibration procedure, continue watching the Quick Align training series.